This instructional video will demonstrate how to set up your new Kyocera P5021 CDW printer. Open the box and locate the bag that contains the manuals and DVD. This machine weighs 50 pounds, so be careful when lifting the machine out of the box. It is recommended that 2 people lift the printer out of the box. Place the machine on a flat, level surface. Open the right door by pressing this latch and swing the door to the rear. Remove the security tabs from each of the toner containers by pulling down and towards yourself. Pull this piece of tape and then remove the cardboard. Close the right side cover. Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Power on the printer by pressing the power button found on the lower right front of the machine. Allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 6 minutes to complete, so please be patient. The machine will be ready for the next steps when the power indicator light is solid. You will be asked to select a language. English is the displayed language. Press OK. Next, you will be asked on screen this question: managed by admin, yes, is Office. Answering this question as Office means you must enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. Using the down arrow key, the second selection is No, Home. The Home selection does not use the ID password function. If you are in a home office or the only user of this printer, it's recommended to use the Home function. Press OK to select the Home function. The machine will display Ready. Next, we'll be setting the current date and time on the printer. To configure the date and time, press the menu key, press the down key to find and highlight Device Common. Press the right arrow key. Using the up or down arrow key, find Date Setting and press the right arrow key. Select the up and down key as needed to find the next number. Once you have the correct number displayed, press the right arrow key to move the cursor. Press OK when complete. Use the down key and locate Time Zone. Press OK and use the up-down keys to pick your time zone. Press OK when done. Press down arrow to select time, hour, minute, second. Press OK. If the time displayed is not the current time, use the arrow keys to set the time. Input the current time in the following order: hours, minutes, and seconds if needed. Press OK. Time setup is now complete. The Kyocera P5021 printer is set at the factory to work at altitudes up to 3,280 feet. If you're at an altitude higher than 3,280 feet, you must set the printer to your altitude to maintain print quality. You will also find this adjustment in the P5021 CDW operation guide. With the printer running, press the menu key. Scroll through the list and find Adjust Maintenance and press the right arrow key. Scroll to Service and press right arrow key. Scroll through the menu to find Altitude Adjust and press OK. Select the altitude range of your location. 1,000 meters to 2,000 meters is for altitudes of 3,281 feet to 6,561 feet. Choose 2,002 meters to 3,000 meters for altitudes of 6,562 to 9,842 feet. Select 3,001 to 3,500 meters for altitudes of 9,843 feet up to 11,483 feet. After making your choice, press on OK. Exit out of the menu by pressing the menu key. To add paper to your printer, please refer to the P5021 Adding Paper video. These instructions are also available in the P5021 CDW Operation Guide.